McDonald's just came out with their new menu hacks. So how does it work? First of all, you want to order each one by name. The first one is the Surf and Turf, which you can only get on the app, the Crunchy Double, the Land, Air, and Sea, and also the Hashbrown McMuffin. So this is a fun way to order some menu hacks, and you get to make them yourself. It's kind of cool. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have the app downloaded or download it. And the next thing you're going to do is order which hack you are interested in eating. Then once you have received your food, you will build your hack by hand. So for instance, the Crunchy Double, you're going to get a McDouble and 6 chicken nuggets. And then you just put it all together. Pretty easy. For the Land, Air, and Sea, you'll get a Big Mac, a Filet of fish, and a McChicken. You just put it all together just like that, and you have a really cool sandwich. Look how tall that thing is. For the Hashbrown McMuffin, you'll get an Egg McMuffin sandwich plus a hash brown, and you just put it all together. It gives you a nice, crunchy, yummy potato sandwich. This is really cool because when you order it as the hack, you end up getting a free hash brown. So for the Surf and Turf, which remember is only available in the app, it's a McDouble and a Filet of fish. Very cool. This one is great because the very first time you order it, again through the app, you will get a free drink and free fries. Very cool. So these menu hacks are so fun. You guys have got to go and check them out. It's a little different because you actually put them together yourself, but you end up getting more food for your buck. So check it out.